time for the A Scene. You see your screen, and this is your premier source for the booming entertainment industry in Atlanta. And if you're curious to know why I have this shoe in my hand, well, I'll just say that these babies were worn by me this weekend at the Ultimate Sugar Show. So first up is a recap of that Ultimate Sugar Show, Georgia's largest baking weekend. And yes, there are cookies and donuts and a cupcake on my shoe. Now, the A Scene had the pleasure of being a part of the festivities this weekend. I joined stars from the Food Network, Chopped Jr., and MasterChef, and many of your favorite foodies this weekend in Cobb County for a sweet, sweet series of workshops, raffles, and cake themed after your favorite Hollywood figures. Take a look.
Oh my God, it's amazing. I never knew I had such a passion for cakes. I'm seeing everything here and I'm like, wow, this is amazing. Like, I didn't know I liked cakes this much until I start seeing like the Hunger Games and the Walking Dead and stuff like that. I'm like, it's awesome.
I love baking, and so it's one of my favorite things to do. And I just love seeing all the decorations and the cakes. It's just really fascinating to me.
So LaToya, the theme was Southern Hollywood when it comes to the cake contest, and you submitted one, very Southern Hollywood.
Yes, Medea, of course. What's Atlanta or Georgia without Tyler Perry? Nothing, right? Tyler Perry is going to love it. He is one of the reasons I moved down here from Philly to Atlanta, so I think he's going to love it.
I knew that it was something huge, but the fact that Food Network's here, it's like this shows the legitimacy of what's going on, what's being presented, and it shows that this is the place to be.
Yes, and Food Network folks aren't the only ones who were in town. Our A Scene insider, Tony Benton, actually spotted filming crews on Spring Street and 8th Street just recently. Turns out this is for the production of MacGyver. That's the action-adventure drama about a man who creates an organization within the U.S. government where he uses his extraordinary talent for unconventional problem solving, and he also saves a few lives along the way. So hey, keep the spottings coming. We want to shout out our A Scene insiders. And of course, for more of the A Scene, make sure you visit our website, 11alive.com/the A Scene. And don't forget to wake up with us on Morning Rush every morning starting at 5 a.m. and catch the